Baggett again, came in around 3 years back into the system, and what we've looked at is that the way the consumer is consuming the content, that's changing. And if you look at today, we are already talking about, there are a lot of questions which are being raised, whether the PC will survive, what's the future for the PC. People will look at mobile, they're consuming their content on the tablets and the mobiles. So what's happening is, we believe that it has to be, you have to have your products across in different platforms. You have to be available on different places. So like he said on shoes, I think that's one of the largest selling categories for us. There is huge amount of growth we're talking about. There are players who refuse to give us the amount of quantity we want because the demand is there. And what happens is that we want to sell more and more of the same product. So what happens is, most of these players have multiple products and multiple designs, and the quantity at which you get the orders for one line, one SKU is so high that it's difficult for anyone to fulfill. And that's the kind of demand you're getting. And you'll be surprised that we still get 30-35% of our traffic through mobile, and these are other devices other than the PC itself.
Okay.
So there is huge amount of opportunity when we look at it, and we believe that it's going to be the consumer. Where the consumer is where you'll have to take your product. You won't have a choice there. So you would be forced to be available online, and that's something that will complement down the line the offline brick and mortar sale.